Just coming up on 9:14, the Assistance League of Indianapolis is celebrating 40 years of Operation School Bell, and that means this year they've got a big goal to help support the children and adults who are in need across central Indiana. President of Assistance League of Indianapolis, Carol Valentine, and Vice President of their philanthropic programs, Laurel Burns, both join me now to discuss what this operation is and their goal for this anniversary year. Good morning to the both of you. Appreciate you being here.
Thank you.
Kind of explain what Operation School Bell is, Carol.
Operation School Bell is our largest philanthropic program. We have several others, but it's our main one. We provide school clothing and coats and gloves and hats and shoes, and we have several divisions to the children in IPS and several townships around town: Pike, Warren, Washington, Lawrence. And we're working, Wayne has shoes only, so we're hoping they'll take apparel.
That is incredible.
It's a huge program.
Yeah, and you're everywhere within the districts. Let's talk about the history of the program.
In 1984, a woman moved to Indianapolis and she wanted to start a chapter of Assistance League, which is a national organization. But in order to be worthy, you have to have a program. Oh. So they chose Operation School Bell, which every Assistance League does. They were 6 or 7 women. They got their friends together. They had a fundraiser. They raised $1,000. They were so excited.
Wow.
So they then got donated clothing, and IPS, fun fact, gave them their lost and found boxes. That's how they got the first clothing. And they gave 26 children clothing in trash bags.
And look at how it's working and how
today,
it's
today it's huge. Our goal this year is to serve 3,100 children with clothing, and 2,300
with shoes.
Shoes.
How are you planning to celebrate the 40th anniversary year?
Next Tuesday, I'm glad you asked. Next Tuesday, we're having a celebration at our distribution center, which is over by St. Vincent Hospital, and we distribute everything from there. Since COVID, we can't see the children anymore, so we pack and deliver these. And we have invited all our friends and our donors and people who've helped us over the years, because this program couldn't have grown without them. We're having tours.
Yeah, so many people helping. Laura, I want to bring you in because I want to know, how has this impacted the community, and then how is it funded?
Okay, the surveys of school staff let us know that there is decreased bullying and increased attendance when the kids have school clothes that are appropriate.
Yeah.
Funding comes from donors and grants, and we do 3 major fundraising events every year.
Okay.
And this is a volunteer organization of almost 200 women.
Finally, we have about 30 seconds to go. For those who are watching this morning and want to get involved and participate, what would you tell them?
You can become a member.
Yeah.
We love new members, and we are a lot of retired teachers, but not everybody. You know, we encourage everybody. You can look at our website, alindy.org, and you can donate. You can come to our fundraisers.
All right. Well, thank you both for being here. Have Carol Valentine, President of Assistance League of Indianapolis, and Laurel Burns, the Vice President of their philanthropic programs. Appreciate you being here both.
Thank you so much for having us.
40 years strong.
Yeah.
Thank you again. Clothing, their 75,000 student this year. That's the goal for the Assistance League of Indianapolis Operation School Bell. If you would like to help them reach that goal, you can find ways to donate and take part or learn even more about the program. Just go to fox59.com/links. You'll find all of the information there. Set 9:18 now.